Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Students, in our last video we have started reading about the land of the midnight sun, that is Greenland. We were reading about the country Greenland and we already read about the location and features of the Greenland. In this video we will discuss about the climate of Greenland. How is the climate of Greenland? Okay, see, Greenland is located in the polar region. That means it is always cold there. The climate is always cold, but there are summer months also, and in summer months the temperature rises. Now how much it rises, that we will see. The temperature varies from minus 90 degrees Celsius to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Means the temperature in Greenland, it varies from minus 90 degree to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Means temperature is always lower. Okay, in summers it can go up to as much as 5 degrees Celsius. Means the temperature in the Greenland in summer months, it is between the 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Means maximum 10 degrees Celsius temperature you can see there. Okay, and in winters the highest temperature is minus 23 degree. You can see minus 23 degree is the highest winter temperature. Okay, so that much cold is there. And why it is this cold climate is there? Because this Greenland is surrounded by oceans on all the sides, and from these oceans, these cold ocean currents are all permanently, or we can say due to these cold ocean currents, this Greenland is permanently chilled. Okay, or it is permanently cold. Then only in the coastal regions temperature rises above the freezing point. Only the coastal region, that is the eastern coast and western coast of Greenland, has the temperature that is not that much cold. Okay, then we have this midnight sun. In the title of the lesson we have one word, that is the land of midnight sun. Now what is land of midnight sun, or what is midnight sun? See, we know that this Greenland, it is located in the Arctic Circle. Okay, and in the summer months, in places north of the Arctic Circle or south of the Antarctic Circle, north to the Arctic Circle and south to the Antarctic Circle, the sun remains visible at the local midnights. Mean at the night also you can see this sun in the sky. Okay, and there is day for 24 hours. Means 24 hours sun is there in the sky, and that's why this phenomenon is known as midnight sun. Okay, midnight sun means you can see the sun in the sky at night also, throughout the night. Okay, at the Arctic pole the midnight sun can be seen for 6 months at a time continuously. You can see here the picture. Here you can see this picture. Here it is the North Pole. Okay, here this is North Pole and this is Greenland. Okay, you can see Greenland is surrounded by water, ocean water on all the sides. Okay, and if you reach here, that is North Pole, if you reach here, then you can observe 6 months day and 6 month night here. 6 months day and 6 months night. Okay, means there the sun does not sets for 6 months, and after that the sun does not rise for the next 6 months, where here at the North Pole. Okay, now here this in Greenland, what happens in Greenland, this experience means Greenland experience about 2 months of the midnight sun during the summers, 2 months only. There are many countries located in the Arctic Circle. So every country has different duration for this midnight sun, because they are located at different distance from the pole, okay, North Pole, and that's why here this Greenland experience only 2 months in the summer season. Means summer is for 2 months, and during this summers, these 2 months there is midnight sun, means sun does not sets for 2 months. Okay, that means sun shines for 24 hours a day for 2 months a year. Okay, then summers are cool and winters are very, very cold. The summers in the Greenland, they are cool, and winters are extremely cold. Okay, during summers the sun does not set for several weeks, that means it has midnight sun, and during winter the sun does not rise for several months. Okay, and it snows continuously. In winter it snows continuously, and that's why the temperature decreases and it is very cold. So this is about the climate of Greenland. Midnight sun, I will explain again. Midnight sun is the phenomenon that is observed in the places that are situated in the Arctic Circle. Okay, and these places, at these places the sun remains visible at the local midnights, means you can see the sun in the sky at the midnight also. Okay, and that's why it is called midnight sun. Here are this is the picture of winter. Okay, this is the picture of winter season. You can see it is extremely cold in winter and continuously snowfall is there. Okay, then this is the picture of midnight sun. It looks like that, midnight sun. This is the picture of midnight sun. Then this is also a picture of midnight sun, and because of this midnight sun you can observe in the months of summer. That means in the months of summer the glaciers also melt, and the icebergs that are broken from the glaciers, they float on the ocean water. Okay, or they flow in the ocean water. Okay, so this is the picture of summer season, that is midnight sun. Then we have clothes. What type of clothes these people wear as there is too much cold, extremely cold is there. So in earlier times, Inuits, we know that the people that are living in the Greenland, these are the original inhabitants of this place. Okay, Inuits, they wore the clothes that are made from animal skin. They wore the clothes that are made of animal skin or hides. Hides means the fur. Okay, so animal skin and fur they use for making their cloths, because these cloths are warm and protect these people from the freezing temperatures. It gives warmth. Okay, these cloths have hoods. These cloths have hood for head. For protecting head, there is a hood in these cloths. People wear large boots made of seal skin. People wear boots, large boots made up of seal skin, and they use mittens to cover their hands. Mitten is the type of glove in which one part for the thumb and the another part is for all the 4 fingers. See, here is the picture. Generally in a glove there are 5 parts for 5 fingers. Okay, but mitten is a type of glove in which there are only 2 parts, one for thumb and one for all the 4 fingers. That means these 4 fingers you cannot separate. Okay, they are in one part. I will show you the picture here, what type of cloth. See, here you can see this and this. These are the hoods. These are called the hoods. So this is the cloths that these people wear, and these are the large boots. These boots are made up of seal skin. Okay, so this type of cloths they wear. Then we have this mitten. Okay, here you can see it is also made up of seal skin, and these mittens have only two parts, one for thumb and another for these four fingers. These four fingers are in one part. Okay, so this is the mitten. Then we have one last point here, that is kayak. What is kayak? So kayak is a light narrow boat. It is a type of boat, and it is only made for one person, which moves by using a stick or paddle. This to move this kayak we have to use a stick or a paddle, and this paddle is double bladed. Double bladed means it is like this. This is the stick, and both the sides it has this shape paddles. Okay, so you can hold here and then you can move this paddle. Okay, it is mainly used for hunting in water. When these people go for hunting, they use this kayak. Okay, and it is made up of wood. It is made up of wood. Okay, here is the picture of kayak. See, this is the kayak, and only one person can sit here, and this is the paddle. Both the sides we can move. Okay, so here we have finished this topic, that is climate of Greenland, climate and clothes in Greenland. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.